The drone community is buzzing louder than it has in years, and at the center of the excitement is a name that keeps surfacing across leak forums, tech blogs, and social media threads: DJI Avatar 360. From casual hobbyists who fly on weekends to seasoned aerial filmmakers who rely on drones for professional productions, everyone seems to be watching the same wave of rumors unfold in real time. According to multiple online sources, particularly those originating from Chinese social media platforms where DJI leaks often appear first, the DJI Avatar 360 could be one of the company's most ambitious releases yet. While official confirmation is still absent, the depth, frequency, and consistency of these reports suggest that this is more than just idle speculation or wishful thinking from fans. The conversation feels different this time, less like a scattered rumor and more like a coordinated glimpse into something substantial. What immediately sets the rumored DJI Avatar 360 apart is how aggressively it may be positioned in terms of price. Despite being described as a high-end, feature-rich drone aimed at immersive flight enthusiasts and serious content creators, insiders claim DJI may launch the base unit at around $489, a figure that has surprised many industry watchers. In a market where advanced drones with premium imaging systems often climb well above the $1,000 mark, that number feels almost disruptive. Even more intriguing is the suggestion that bundled kits, likely including FPV goggles and a controller, could start at approximately $680. If these numbers hold true, DJI would be undercutting not only rival immersive drones, but even some of its own existing models, signaling a strategic push to make advanced immersive flight accessible to a much wider audience. Such pricing would not simply be competitive, it would be strategic. DJI has long dominated the consumer and prosumer drone space, but immersive FPV-style drones have traditionally remained somewhat niche, often perceived as intimidating, technical, and occasionally fragile. By lowering the financial barrier to entry while maintaining premium specifications, DJI could be aiming to expand the immersive drone market itself rather than merely competing within it. This approach mirrors the company's past strategy of introducing advanced technology at prices that gradually become accessible to mainstream users, effectively reshaping expectations across the industry. Pricing alone, however, is only part of the story. The most talked-about aspect of the DJI Avatar 360 is its rumored camera system. Leaks consistently point to a dual 1-inch sensor setup, a specification that would be remarkable for a drone in this size and price category. 1-inch sensors are typically associated with higher-end camera drones known for superior image quality, better low-light performance, and enhanced dynamic range. Integrating two of them into a compact, immersive drone suggests DJI is not merely experimenting, but pushing the envelope of what is possible in consumer aerial imaging. These sensors are said to work together to deliver 8K panoramic video at 60 frames per second, enabling full 360-degree capture with high clarity and smooth motion. If accurate, this would place the DJI Avatar 360 among the most capable aerial 360 cameras ever produced, especially within the consumer and prosumer space. The ability to record at 8K resolution ensures that even after reframing or cropping during editing, the resulting footage can retain impressive detail and sharpness. For creators who distribute content across multiple platforms, from VR headsets to traditional 16:9 social media feeds, this flexibility could prove invaluable. This imaging approach reflects a growing shift in how creators work with aerial footage. Rather than locking into a single framing during flight, users could record everything around the drone simultaneously. The idea is simple but powerful. Focus on flying, movement, and timing first, then decide on framing and composition later during editing. This capture everything workflow has already gained popularity with handheld 360 cameras, where creators can reframe shots in post-production to create dynamic, cinematic perspectives. Bringing that philosophy into an FPV-style drone could unlock entirely new creative possibilities, merging immersive flight with immersive capture. Image quality rumors do not stop at resolution. Sources suggest that the larger sensor size could bring meaningful improvements in dynamic range, color depth, and low light performance. This would be a major advantage over traditional FPV drones, which often struggle in challenging lighting conditions due to smaller sensors and limited processing capabilities. For creators filming at sunrise or sunset, when light conditions change rapidly, or indoors where illumination may be uneven, the DJI Avatar 360 could offer a level of visual flexibility rarely associated with immersive drones. Greater dynamic range means better preservation of highlight and shadow detail, while improved color science could result in footage that requires less correction in post-production. Keeping all of this footage stable and usable requires a strong transmission system, and that is another area where the DJI Avatar 360 is rumored to shine. Reports indicate the drone may feature DJI's O4 Plus transmission technology, described as a flagship-grade system designed for long-range stability and ultra-low latency. For FPV and immersive flying, where responsiveness and signal reliability are critical, such a system could significantly enhance the overall experience. A clearer live feed means safer flights, better timing, and more confidence when navigating complex environments. Reduced latency ensures that the pilot's inputs translate into immediate drone movements, maintaining the sense of connection that makes immersive flight so compelling. Safety itself appears to be a major design priority for the DJI Avatar 360. Unlike traditional FPV drones, which often rely solely on pilot skill and manual control, this model is rumored to include omnidirectional obstacle detection. This would allow the drone to sense objects from all directions, potentially preventing collisions before they happen. For beginners especially, this could be a game-changing feature, reducing the intimidation factor that has historically kept many people away from FPV-style drones. By combining immersive flight with intelligent safety systems, DJI may be aiming to create a product that feels thrilling yet approachable. Adding to this safety-focused approach is the rumored inclusion of built-in propeller guards. While prop guards are common on cinewhoop drones designed for indoor and close-quarters flying, their integration into a high-performance immersive drone suggests DJI is striving to balance excitement with responsibility. These guards would make the DJI Avatar 360 more suitable for indoor flights, close proximity shots, and creative scenarios involving people or tight spaces. The result could be a drone that feels adventurous without being reckless, opening up shooting environments that might otherwise be considered too risky. Control options further reinforce the idea that DJI wants this drone to appeal to a broad audience. According to leaks, users will likely be able to fly the DJI Avatar 360 using either a traditional remote controller or DJI's motion controller. The standard controller would cater to experienced pilots who want precision and full manual control, while the motion controller would offer a more intuitive, gesture-based flying experience. This dual control setup allows beginners to get airborne quickly, while still giving advanced users room to refine their skills. The motion controller, in particular, has been praised in previous DJI products for making immersive flight feel natural and engaging. Extending this option to the DJI Avatar 360 could make the drone especially attractive to content creators who prioritize storytelling over technical flying mastery. Instead of focusing on complex stick movements and fine motor adjustments, users could direct the drone more like a camera operator in the sky, concentrating on angles, packing, and narrative flow. One of the most exciting rumored features is a dual shooting mode enabled by the drone's lens system. Leaks suggest that users may be able to switch between full 360-degree immersive capture and a more traditional forward-facing cinematic view. This would dramatically increase the drone's versatility, allowing it to function as both an immersive capture device and a conventional aerial camera. For creators, this means fewer compromises and less need to carry multiple drones for different shooting styles. This flexibility could make the DJI Avata 360 particularly appealing to solo creators and small production teams. With one drone, they could capture immersive VR footage, social media-friendly reframed clips, and cinematic aerial shots, all within the same flight session. Such an all-in-one approach aligns with modern content creation workflows, where efficiency and adaptability are key. The ability to deliver multiple formats from a single shoot can save time, reduce equipment costs, and streamline editing processes. Design-wise, the DJI Avata 360 is rumored to retain a refined cinewhoop-inspired form factor, optimized for smooth, controlled flight rather than extreme speed. This design philosophy prioritizes stability and precision, making it ideal for cinematic movements and close-up tracking shots. Combined with advanced stabilization algorithms, the drone could deliver footage that feels polished straight out of the camera, reducing the need for heavy post-processing or external stabilization tools. While battery life details remain scarce, speculation suggests DJI has been working on optimizing efficiency to support high-resolution recording without sacrificing flight time. Recording 8K panoramic video is demanding, placing significant strain on processing hardware and power systems. Managing heat, power consumption, and performance will be critical to ensuring that the drone remains reliable during extended sessions. DJI's engineering track record gives many observers confidence that these challenges are being addressed thoughtfully, even if final specifications remain unknown. Taken together, the rumored DJI Avata 360 appears to be more than just another incremental upgrade in DJI's product lineup. It looks like a strategic attempt to redefine immersive flight by blending accessibility, safety, and professional-grade imaging into a single platform. By lowering the entry barrier through competitive pricing and intuitive controls, while simultaneously pushing technical boundaries in sensor size and resolution, DJI may be positioning the Avata 360 as a gateway drone for the next generation of aerial creators. Of course, all of this remains speculative until DJI makes an official announcement. Specifications could change, features could be refined, and pricing may vary by region. Yet the consistency of these rumors paints a compelling and cohesive picture. If even a portion of these leaks prove accurate, the DJI Avata 360 could emerge as one of the most influential drone releases in recent years, reshaping expectations for what immersive drones can be and who they are for. For now, drone enthusiasts can only watch, analyze, and wait. But if the rumors are any indication, the DJI Avata 360 may soon transform immersive flight from a niche, technically demanding hobby into a mainstream creative tool. By combining advanced imaging, intelligent safety systems, flexible control options, and accessible pricing, it could open the skis to a whole new wave of storytelling, where capturing everything is no longer a luxury but a standard feature of flight.